HOC meeting for the second Africa Scout or Rover Moot. It's very exciting to see so many people on the call again. For those who may not have joined the first call, my name's Damien. I'm the organizing chair, and I'm joined by members of my team today. Callan, Rochelle, Dawn. I just want to check who else. On the team, some of the rest of the members, as I mentioned, we've just hosted Africa Scout Day at Arrow Park in South Africa this past weekend. So a lot of the team was involved with that. So they do send their apologies. In the last meeting, we covered a lot of general items around the event. We touched on some things around marketing. We touched on a couple of things around the program. Today, we are going to deep dive the campsite a little bit. I know originally it was planned to be activities, but we have pushed that out to a later date. And today we will discuss Arrow Park in a bit more detail. Callan is our camp chief, and he'll be taking you through a couple of charts and pictures and maps of Arrow Park so you can get a better idea of where it's located, what facilities it has, etc., etc. I'll hand over to him in a minute or two. Once we are done with that, I will open the floor for general questions. If there's any concerns or any